If you look at this question now, integration to be evaluated is this one. Is it okay? I is equal to integral, look here, cos to the power n minus 1 times x. I can write, this can be written as now sine to the power n minus 1 times x into sine squared x dx. What do you say? So this part will become sine to the power n minus 1 plus 2 will be n plus 1x, correct? So I can write now cos by sine, powers are even here. So this can be written as cot to the power n minus 1x divided by sine squared x times dx. So I can write integral cot to the power n minus 1 times x into cosecant squared x times dx. Put cot x is equal to t, correct or not? So when you differentiate this with respect to x, we'll get minus cosecant squared x dx is equal to dt. So I can say cosecant squared x dx, cosecant squared x dx will be equal to minus dt, right? Will be equal to minus dt. So your value for I integral will be equal to, see this is nothing but t to the power n minus 1 into minus dt, correct? So I is equal to minus of integral t to the power n minus 1 times dt. So what is this answer that we get? Minus of t to the power n divided by n plus c. So minus of t, what is the value of t? Cot, correct? Cot to the power nx divided by n plus c will be the answer to the question. So here what is the answer that I have to write now? Minus cot to the power nx divided by n plus c will be the answer to the question.